what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play September by Earth, Wind and Fire. So let's do it. Song is in F sharp minor. And we got some cool chords happening. We got a... let's go over the very intro later. Let's talk about the chords first. We got a D major 7. So that's 5, 7, 6, 5. Let's do that again. 5, 7, 6, 7. And that's going to take us to a C sharp minor 7, which is 4, 6, 4, 5. And a B minor, just move that down, that same shape. Back to C sharp, and then F sharp minor. I'll play F sharp like this for this song, which is barring E, B, G, like that, and then third finger pinky. Third time something happens, we got to make the C sharp minor a major. So I just grab these three notes, which is 6, 6, 6 on the 6th fret. I don't use the root here, and then F sharp, and then we got this G chord, G major 9, but I just grab the top notes, 5, 4, 3, and 5. I guess you can use the thumb there. Major. Major. And that's going to take us to the chorus. B minor. I play an E major. Try it here. That's 4, 5, 4. C sharp to F sharp minor. Major, chorus. Okay, so that's all the parts, verses and chorus, and then you have the intro. I play octaves. I play, so that's from the D string, 11, 9, 7, 9, 6, 7. There it is, folks. September by Earth, Wind and Fire. Cool. I'll be back tomorrow with more awesome hits. Be safe. Thank you.